Fulton County Probate Court officials have made the remarkable discovery of hundreds of historic documents predating the end of slavery.
Now the court's chief judge is hoping to get them restored and into the right hands. Fox 5's Joi Dukes joins us live in studio with more on this exclusive story. Joy.
Yeah, Eric, Courtney, this is a pretty significant finding by Fulton County Probate Court officials who are considered the county's official record keepers. The documents include wills, estate plans, and even slave bequests left by slave owners dating back to the 1840s.
Some counties don't have those, due to floods, fires, but to see that Fulton County still had those records was amazing to me.
Inside the records room of Fulton County's Probate Court, we were able to uncover some interesting stories about slave owners. The recent discovery of 200-year-old court documents provide new insight on a told and untold history of slavery in the Old South. That was a story that I hadn't heard before, where slave owners paid for their slaves to go back to Africa. Chief Probate Court Judge Kenya Johnson says she and her staff stumbled upon hundreds of stories found within marriage licenses, estate planning documents, and wills dating as far back as the 1840s. Among them, documents signed by Coretta Scott King in the months after her husband's assassination in 1968. And even further back, documents that determined the fate of slaves after their owners passed. I began having the staff to look at the wills to see if we could actually see slave bequests. And within the first 10 minutes, we identified several wills. Record Supervisor Candace Davis said those findings were bittersweet, a disheartening reminder of the struggles her ancestors faced, and a testament to how far we've come.
We were treated as property, and some of those slaves were treated just like with cows and with furniture.
Johnson says their goal now is to preserve those documents and share what they found with other groups who may be interested in taking a lesson in Fulton County's history.
And just remarkable there. Also important to note, these documents are so old, they were around when Union General William Sherman led soldiers in his march to the sea, burning the city of Atlanta to the ground. So those documents managed to survive that. We're told it'll cost about $8,000 per document to restore them. They plan to launch a fundraising campaign to cover those costs. In the studio, Joi Dukes, Fox 5 News.
Such fascinating history. Joy, thanks.